In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to create a custom domain for Figma Make Site. If you've built a site in Figma and you're ready for a professional web address, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to look for, all inside Figma. First, open Figma in your browser and load the project you want to share as a live site. Make sure you're in the correct file and workspace, so the settings you change apply to the right project. Next, find the Publish button in the interface. Clicking Publish pushes your current changes live. If you're prompted to review settings like visibility, confirm those and proceed. Once the publish completes, take a second to confirm your site is actually live. Look for a status or success message, and if you've recently made edits, publish again so everything is up to date. Now, right next to the publish controls, look for a small settings or gear icon. Click that, and from the menu, choose domains. This is where you manage how your site is reached on the web. In the Domains panel, select Edit Domain. This opens the field where you can point your site to a custom address you already own. In the domain field, type your custom domain exactly as you want visitors to use it. Commonly, a subdomain like www.yourdomain.com. Don't include HTTP or HTTPS and avoid extra spaces or slashes. It's a good idea to use a subdomain you control, especially if your main Apex domain is used elsewhere. You'll also want to make sure the domain is registered with your provider and that you have access to DNS, since Figma may prompt you to verify ownership or add a DNS record. If you see instructions on screen, follow them with your registrar. DNS updates can take time, so be patient if it doesn't connect immediately. When everything looks correct, click Save. Figma will apply the domain setting and begin connecting your site. Give it a few minutes, then test by visiting the domain in a new browser tab. If you see a pending or not found message, wait for propagation and clear your cache before trying again. If you made a typo, just return to Edit Domain, fix the address, and save once more. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.